Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journeys. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a room tour. I'm at the Sheraton Vacation Desert Oasis in Scottsdale, Arizona. So let's do a room tour. I'm in room 2026. And when you come in the door, they have the instructions. You can see Vacation Club Desert Oasis, Scottsdale, Arizona, level 2. They have some buildings, 2 levels, some 3. The 2 level buildings do not have elevated access, but it's okay. If you require that, please ask for a building, a lower level or building with 3 floors where you can have elevated access. You're not going to be able to carry. So when you come in, you're in a little foyer. You got painting on one wall, mirror on the other. This is to the lock off. I'll show you guys that. It's not ready yet, but I do have the lock off of this unit as well. So it's a 2-bedroom lock off. So I'll show you that once it's ready. They're still cleaning it. But when you first come in to your right, you are in the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have a full-size dishwasher, double sink, full oven, a standard size refrigerator freezer. You also have a microwave. They give you the coffee. They also give you a few coffee and things to go with it, salt and pepper. In the cabinet, of course, like all of the timeshare resorts, you get dishware. This is different dishware than the other places, but they're nice. Very nice dishware. I may or may not cook while I'm here. I don't know. I may just go out to eat. I'm just here for the holiday, so we'll see. You got knife set, cutting boards. Let's see. Under here, the sink. Of course, you have your fire extinguisher, a trash can, extra paper towels, things to wash dishes with, as well as use the dishwasher. What I like about the timeshares is you also get the fridge. Let me turn the ice maker on. You get the fridge and freezer in case you do want to cook, especially if you have a family, you want to cook breakfast or what have you. I have food. We have that for that. And here you have a full-size stackable washer and dryer in case you want to wash your clothes. It's a Whirlpool, so it's a good brand. They also provide you with a little bit of something to wash your clothes with. And then the dryer. I don't know if it's full size, but it's close enough. It's big enough for this size unit. That's that. Over here is where they have your pots and pans and this little pantry closet so that you can cook, as well as a toaster and then some containers if you want to bake, as well as something to make juice or put water in if you want to do that. And these cabinets up here, we got glasses, wine glasses, regular drinking glasses, and then at the top, on the top shelf, we have plastic cups. We have a colander up there. This is probably This is probably a convection microwave. A lot of times that's what they have in the units, but it may very well just be a regular microwave. Dual oven tops here for your eyes on your stove. And that's it. Garbage disposal sink. Let's keep going this way. To your left. In this unit, we have a storage closet that has your broom, as well as your vacuum cleaner and a clothes basket for when you wash clothes. You have a seating area here that's part of the bar for the countertop that you have with the sink. So if you want to sit here, we also have a table for 4. Pretty picture that's on the wall. I like that. Yeah, so that is it for that. Going this way, have a nice lamp. This is a sofa couch, so it pulls out into, I think it's a queen size couch, maybe a king, but I think it's a queen. Then we have these are usually storage units that you can store stuff in there while you're here if you want to do that. 2 of those, chair. We also have a fireplace in here, and then a storage unit, like if you're bringing games or stuff for the kids or their console for them to play, you can put it there on the TV. Outside, you have, for this unit, I'm right across from the pool. As you can see the pool over there. I don't know if this unit is, I must have a lock on it somewhere. There we go. Yep. Have locks on the doors down here. I've never seen that kind before. But they have it, and the doors are screened in. So out on the porch, if you want to come out here, and it has seating area over there to sit on, like a little bench area, and then it has a table and chair set at a seat 4. And then where I'm located, I'm in building 4. You have a pool. I think this concoction here is probably a slide for the kids. Adults may be able to get on it as well. I'll check it out. I'll let you guys see that when I go around there. That is a door as well that comes from the bedroom, so you can come outside as well from the bedroom. So let's close this back up and lock it. Okay, you just push it down. Okay, for this unit, here's a fireplace. I think this is the first time share I've ever been to that has a fireplace. So, nice. Okay, and we're going to come into the bedroom. This is a king size bed, fireplace, television, then of course the door that goes out that I just showed you, that goes out to the outside. So lock that back. Then also in the room with the bed, you have a jetted tub. Not your normal jets, because it just has little holes down there. So what you have there, you have a mirror there, some photos on the wall pictures, and your closet, you have ironing board. Then you have your stand for your luggage. On this side, you do have a safe that's in the room. That's good. Hopefully it works. Then you have your hangers, and then that is for the sofa bed. In case you have an individual sleeping out there, that is their bedding for the sofa bed. Then you come through this door through the bedroom. This is your entrance to the bathroom. You have a double vanity sinks. That is me. Hello. Look like they haven't done any updates. This is furniture and stuff that's been here for a while. Because I've owned with them for like 20 years. So this is their old decor. They have not updated these. So in here you have a shower and a toilet. Just a regular shower head with a handheld. On the wall they have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Nice size shower. Oddly shaped, as you can see, but it's a nice size. It's not too small where you're crammed in there. And that is pretty much it for this. You go back out this and you're back into the kitchen. So that is it for the 1-bedroom standard. And the other one that I want to show you once it's ready is the 1-bedroom studio. And this together they're a 2-bedroom lock off. So that is what I have. All right, we'll get ready to go into the lock off. I don't have any lights on, but you come through. This is the front door here. When you come in here to the right, you have your washer and dryer as well as your cleaning and iron and board and iron. This looks like the same size washer and dryer, but it may be a little smaller. Not for sure to be 100%. All right, put the lock on. Then you come in, you have a little small table that's here. I don't know if it's the same size. It looks a little smaller than the one on my side because I'm peeping over there. They have the same size. Oh, it's moving, but it don't want to open. Oh, because I'm trying to open it from the wrong side. Open it from this side. Have the same size refrigerator. That is like apartment size. You do have a full-size dishwasher. Same thing here, set up with the coffee maker. You do have a double top, which is good because sometimes you don't get that when you get the lock off. This is a convection oven, so you can't cook within this. So I'm assuming mine is a regular microwave since I have a stove and an oven, because this looks completely different than the one on my side. However, you still get the same thing. This room can sleep 4, so they always have enough for how many people it can sleep. So you got 4 cups and what have you, bowls. Same thing over here. Strainer, mixing bowls in case you want to cook. And then you have your plates, bowls, cups, what have you, serving stuff at the top. And I didn't show this in mine, but up here is where they have, up here they have their plates, and not plates, but pots and stuff. But in mine, it just had a tea kettle, so I was showing that. So you can see that you do have a tea kettle. And then under here, you have your trash can. Oh, this is neat because it doesn't have drawers, so it just had this little pull out with their utensils and stuff. I didn't even show them my drawers, but that's what's in them. And then that rack there, mixing bowl. Oh, y'all can't even see it. I messed this thing up. We have plastic bowls, mixing bowls, that type of stuff. I don't know what this is because we don't have that in mind. Oh, that's for the convection oven. Then we have the toaster. So that is all that we have down there. And then we have a little small sink. So that's enough for 2 people. So then you still come through the right, and what we have here is the bathroom. It's a cute little bathroom. We have the stained windows there, which are nice. Then things to hold your towel, toilet. This is the older sink that they used to have in the hotels. I remember this from the one. This is how the Western and Times Square used to look with this. But we have that. You have a tub and shower. It's a step over in tub, but it does have a little holes in there, so I'm assuming it has the jets as well. Regular shower head, and then the handheld on it. And that is it. You walk through kitchen, bedroom. The bed is here, dresser, and everything. Is this a king size bed? Yep, king size bed as well. I walked in here at first. I thought it was a queen. I don't have any lights on. Let me turn the lights on. Okay, this is a queen size bed. It does also too have a closet, and it's a little small closet, but it does have your safe at the bottom, your stand for your luggage. Then you have your linen for the couch, a basket, and then you also have up top your linen pillows for the couch. So it is a let out couch. You have a TV on the wall. The TV looks like it may be maybe a 50-inch, maybe. Double doors. You also, for the room, you have a balcony just like the one that is attached to the other one bedroom, but it's a smaller balcony, and you can go out of the balcony from the living room as well. So here's two openings. Here is the couch that is out into a bed. This is considered a coffee table, but you can store things in it. And then here is the other TV with the stand in case you bring a console, games, or what have you, you can store in there. And then we're back at the kitchen. So that is it for this. This is very nice. Next time I'll just get this one because it'll be less points. Because this is all I really need. If it's just me by myself, yeah, it's the grand tour. So yeah, that's it. That's it. And like I said, go through because it has adjoining doors that you go through and go back through to my unit. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.